OnePlus Nord CE 6 series, the future of budget flagships. The smartphone war is changing. The smartphone industry is no longer just about expensive flagship devices. A new battle has begun. A battle for the mid-range market, where performance matters, battery matters, design matters, and price matters most. This is where the OnePlus Nord CE series enters the fight, a lineup designed to bring flagship-style experiences to everyday users. And now, the OnePlus Nord CE 6 series is preparing to push that vision even further. More power, smarter software, better cameras, AI features, and futuristic design philosophy. This is not just another budget phone story. This is the evolution of affordable premium technology. The rise of the Nord series. When OnePlus first entered the smartphone market, its identity was simple: Flagship Killer, premium performance without flagship prices. That strategy built a loyal fan base. But as the smartphone market evolved, prices kept rising, and eventually, OnePlus needed a new answer. That answer became the Nord series, a lineup focused on balance, strong specifications, modern design, affordable pricing, reliable performance. The Nord CE models specifically targeted users who wanted core essentials done right, no unnecessary luxury, just smart value. And now the CE 6 series aims to refine that formula for the AI era.
Design, premium feel without the price. One of the biggest reasons smartphones succeed is emotional connection. People want devices that feel premium. And OnePlus understands this clearly. The Nord CE 6 series is expected to continue modern, slim-edge aesthetics, minimalist camera modules, clean finishes, lightweight construction, smooth curves. Even in the mid-range market, design now matters enormously because users compare devices visually every single day. Phones are no longer hidden technology. They are fashion items, lifestyle products, personal identity tools. And OnePlus continues pushing a clean, modern design philosophy that feels more expensive than the price. Performance, speed for daily life. Performance is where the Nord identity becomes important. Most users do not need ultra-expensive flagship processors. What they want is smoothness, fast app launches, stable gaming, reliable multitasking, and strong battery optimization. The Nord CE 6 series is expected to focus heavily on efficiency, smart chip optimization, better thermal management, improved RAM handling, faster storage speeds, and smoother Oxygen OS software integration. The goal is simple: make the phone feel fast every day. Not just in benchmark tests, but in real life. The AI smartphone era. Artificial intelligence is transforming smartphones rapidly, and even mid-range devices are entering the AI race. The Nord CE 6 series may introduce smarter AI photography, voice assistants, battery optimization, and adaptive performance systems. Modern smartphones are becoming predictive. They learn habits, optimize resources automatically, reduce unnecessary background tasks, improve camera results instantly. AI is no longer a luxury feature, it is becoming standard. And OnePlus knows future users will expect intelligent experiences at affordable prices.
Camera evolution, social media first. Today, smartphone cameras are designed around social behavior: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Snapchat. Content creation drives smartphone innovation. The Nord CE 6 series is expected to emphasize versatile photography, sharper low-light performance, AI-enhanced portraits, improved video stabilization, better HDR processing, social media-ready color tuning. For most users, the smartphone camera is their primary creative tool, and OnePlus understands that camera quality influences buying decisions more than ever before, especially in younger markets. Battery life, the real priority. Battery anxiety remains one of the biggest smartphone frustrations, and this is where OnePlus traditionally performs well. Fast charging became one of the company's strongest advantages. The Nord CE 6 series is expected to continue that philosophy aggressively: large battery capacity, ultra-fast charging, smarter power management, efficient display optimization.
Because users no longer tolerate slow charging experiences. Modern life moves too quickly. People want devices that recharge in minutes, not hours. And battery convenience has quietly become one of the most important features in modern smartphones. Display experience, the feel of speed. Display quality changes how users experience phones emotionally. Smooth scrolling, responsive touch, bright visuals, high refresh rates. The Nord CE 6 series is likely to continue focusing on fluid displays. Because smoothness creates the illusion of premium performance. Even simple interactions feel more satisfying. Animations appear faster, gaming feels more responsive, content looks cleaner. In the smartphone world, display quality affects every single interaction, and companies know users instantly notice bad displays. The mid-range war. The biggest challenge for OnePlus is competition. The mid-range smartphone market is brutal. Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Nothing, Motorola, everyone is fighting aggressively for attention. And consumers now expect flagship-like features at lower prices. That pressure is reshaping the industry. The Nord CE 6 series must balance performance, camera quality, battery life, software, and pricing carefully, because one weak area can change buyer decisions instantly. The smartphone market today is no longer about survival. It's about differentiation, standing out in an overcrowded world. Why the Nord CE 6 series matters. The OnePlus Nord CE 6 series represents something important: the democratization of premium technology. Features once limited to expensive flagship devices are slowly reaching more people. Fast displays, AI tools, high-quality cameras, smart software, powerful charging systems. The gap between flagship and mid-range phones continues shrinking, and that changes consumer expectations permanently. People now demand more for less, and brands like OnePlus are helping drive that shift. The future of smartphones may not belong only to ultra-premium devices anymore. It may belong to smart balance, affordable innovation, reliable experiences, and technology that fits everyday life naturally. The Nord CE 6 series is part of that future, a future where powerful technology becomes accessible to more people than ever before. If you enjoyed this futuristic breakdown of the OnePlus Nord CE 6 series, subscribe now for more cinematic tech stories, smartphone documentaries, and future gadget deep dives.